So Celina Powell dropped an interview with Tasha K basically, and she told everybody, Tasha K and the whole world, that DJ Academic was, you know what I'm saying, I don't really, you know what I'm saying, this. But long story short, the homie right here, Flakko, he ain't my homie, you know what I'm just saying. But Flakko was talking about he know for a fact DJ Academic packing. Now, personally, I ain't taking up for nobody. What I'm saying is he must know something. I'm not taking up for no grown man talking about they packing. Like, he even did, just period. I ain't taking up for nobody, goddammit. Like, just check this clip out and let me know what y'all think, though.
But nah, nigga. I can attest and I know for a fact. When my nigga on hard, come on, my nigga. Come on, bruh. Real yard man. Real bad man. Yard man. Come on, man. Act a real nigga from Kingston, Jamaica, man. If you think that I got a small penis, nigga, you is tripping. The bitch know what she was doing, bruh. She knows what she was doing, bruh. Man, listen, yo, she sent that shit on soft because she know what she was doing, man. Trying to emasculate the nigga, man. Trying to emasculate my nigga, man.